Hey, Paige. What you doing? A what?
A mag.
For the internet safety Nazis, these are SnapCaps. So we've been doing some firearms drills, huh? So you want to try doing it one more time on tape? All by yourself? Okay, so what are we going to cover? Picking the gun up and making sure it's pointed in a safe direction. Loading the magazine into the gun. Charging the gun. Getting in a good stance with our knees bent and our shoulders over our toes. A good grip. And a good trigger squeeze, huh? All right. You ready? Let's do it. Good trigger. You gotta charge it, honey. Good stance. Oh, good charge. Get that grip. There you go. Nice trigger squeeze. Charge it. Okay, don't worry about that. Get a fix your grip. You already charged it. All right. Fix your grip. No, fix your grip. Remember to get that palm. There you go. Good, nice trigger squeeze. Good job.